So why your pitch isn't converting, and this is not because your offer is weak. Remember, it's often because your message is unclear. Most founders lose sales because they over-explain, they lead with features instead of outcomes, and confuse buyers instead of guiding them to more confident decisions. And here's the problem with doing that you know inwardly your offer works, but you still have to explain it confidently to generate more predictable revenue. And that's exactly where something like ChatGPT can come in. And in this reel, I'm going to show you how to use AI to improve your message. And in just 5 minutes or less, your sales conversion can increase by your sales messaging. And this is what I call the clarity gap. Because if buyers don't trust you and they don't understand how your offer solves their problem, then your pitch is possibly too long, too technical, or too focused on what you do as opposed to how it can help them. ChatGPT can, along with you, start to fix this. So open ChatGPT up and type in this: I help a specific audience solve specific problem with specific solution. I'm focused on the outcome and not the benefit. For example, if you are a consultant, so open up ChatGPT and type this in: I help insert your target audience solve insert specific problem by, and then insert details of your solution. We write this in one sentence that focuses on the outcome, not the mechanism. For example, let's say you're a consultant who helps scaling founders. You might say, I help founders build systems to scale their business. ChatGPT will help you with some ideas, turn that into something like, I help founders generate predictable revenue without working more hours. Can you see the difference? One is about what you do, the other is about what your end buyer gets. Second, let's help you to upgrade your sales language. The words that you use shape how buyers perceive your value. If you're saying things like pitch, cost, buy, you're triggering just transactional thinking. Instead, try to say presentation, investment, and join. So type this into ChatGPT as well. So ask ChatGPT, rewrite my sales script to replace transactional language with intentional language that builds my authority and trust of my buyer. Paste in your original script or pitch, and then essentially third, practice that pitch once you get an output, right? So use ChatGPT to help you to role play. Tell it, act as a skeptical buyer in insert your industry. Ask me tough questions about my offer. After I respond, give me feedback on my clarity and confidence. With applying AI in this way, you can practice handling objections, refining your language, and shortening your pitch without feeling rushed. Fourth, you can turn your pitch into a framework. Buyers trust frameworks more than features, so ask ChatGPT, turn my offer into a 3-step framework that shows the transformation, not the mechanism. For example, instead of saying, I'll audit your sales process, train your team, and implement new tools, you can say, well, we clarify your message, upgrade your language, and guide buyers to confident decisions. It's the same service, but completely different positioning. Finally, use AI to scale your clarity and not the noise. ChatGPT and other tools can help you to create pitch decks, sales emails, and follow-up sequences that start to make a clearer message. The key is consistency, and you will need to practice. But when your pitch and your presentation has that consistency, that creates more trust with your buyer. AI won't replace you, but it will expose whether your message is clear enough to convert initially. Because if you can't explain your offer simply to ChatGPT and you can't explain it to a buyer, this is going to affect your sales, because sales won't happen when your offer is not clear. They happen when your message is clear and its value is clear. If this video helped you, drop a comment with your biggest pitch or sales challenge, and I'll send you a prompt and direct sales strategy to fix it. And if you want to refine your entire sales presentation, send me a DM and I'll show you exactly how I have a strategy and system to help you to turn confusion into conversions in 90 days or less.